The Langenbrunner soap is cut. That's how it looks. Yeah. The colors are actually more vibrant than it's looking on here. And the fragrance oil has made a couple of brown discolorations on top, but it does have vanilla in it because, well, it's vanilla scent. And the vanilla discoloration is not going to affect the soap. That's just the fragrance. It's made with a natural vanilla. Isn't that gorgeous? Let's see if I get close up with this color. And that's the whole thing. That's the pattern. This is the overflow. These 3 bars are going to be for my family. And the lather test went well. It's a sudsy but very rich lather. And that's what it looks like. And on the side you can really see the swirl. It's that colorway. Yeah. Anyway, this has been People7 on Twitter and YouTube. People elsewhere on the internet. My blog is located at purplebutterfly-people.blogspot.com. My soaps, Purple Butterfly soaps, can be located at people.etsy.com. My t-shirt designs, purplebutterfly-people.tmail.com. And this is the Langenbrunner soap. That is a wedding present. By now it's an anniversary present. And it will be cured in 3 weeks and presented then. Y'all stay blessed and stay tuned. Bye now.